Hi everybody and welcome to my channel, Nickel and Dining. If you're new, it's your girl O. I'm coming to you to make this DIY kind of a table runner centerpiece. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but we just gonna create. Sorry about the noise in the background, you guys, if you hear the TVs, because I am currently working on this and I'm gonna watch a little bit of TV to get me relaxed. But you guys, these are the things that we're gonna need for this DIY. Plenty of flowers, you guys, lots and lots of flowers. We are going to need 5 of the Dollar Tree pumpkins of your choice. Some velvet if you choose, or you can just paint your pumpkins, but we are going to be covering our pumpkins in velvet. And I also have these cute little, because I've been seeing these going around on YouTube with the pumpkins with the little knives. Yep. So I have 5 of these little extra crystal knobs. So we're going to use that. Some scrap styrofoam, a glue gun, high temperature and a low temperature, wire cutters and scissors, and I have some little bit of bling maybe, and some floor wire. I can't think tonight. And scissors, and and I can't forget some screws, you guys. And let's get started. Let's just get started on this DIY, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, you guys, and before I forget, let me show you what else we're going to be using. We are going to be using this thankful sign here from Walmart. It was $16.97. And let me tell you a real quick story about this sign. I ordered this sign online because I had been seeing everybody showing it through their Walmart walkthroughs. And of course, my Walmart did not have it. And you guys, look how it came. It was broke, you guys. Oh my God. So I went to my Walmart and tried to see did they have any. Of course not. They didn't have any. So I got the bright idea, instead of returning it, to try to glue it together. Ultimate fail, yes. So that's why we're going to use this as our very huge centerpiece, you guys. So you guys stay tuned. Yeah, I was pretty upset. I should have just took this back, but I wanted it so bad. Try to glue it. Look at that. But we're gonna make this into something beautiful, you guys. So stay tuned. So here I'm taking my scissors and putting the hole in this styrofoam pumpkin and adding my velvet around the pumpkin. I got this inspiration from Carol over at Inspired By. She had made some really beautiful glammed up pumpkins, and she had made some covered in velvet, and I was like, I'm having a hard time really finding the velvet pumpkins in the dollar spot at Target. So I was like, thanks Carol for sharing, I'll make my own. So it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, trying to get the velvet from to lay straight or whatever, but I had to keep pushing it down in the hole. But they turned out absolutely very cute, and thanks again Carol for sharing this idea. I'm just cutting the round styrofoam that I had, trying to make a flat surface. And now I'm going to add my round styrofoam balls to the half rounds of the other round styrofoam, of the flat styrofoam. Now you guys, I've got my round balls attached to my flat round halves of styrofoams, making like a base. But I put my figured I'll put these screws in there to have it a little bit sturdy, you guys. And I got real creative because, like I told you, I just kind of used what I had on hand for this DIY. See, I had to go in and secure the glue a little bit more, so I knew I probably was going to need those screws to make it a little more steady. And I'm going to push it in as far as I can get them in, you guys. Next, I'm going to take my sign and end up gluing the styrofoam in the back of my signs, because I want the sign to be able to kind of stand up. So I use those as a base, you guys. Yes, that's what I was doing with those, as a base to kind of prop my stand up, you guys, because we are going to be using this on a table. That's why I needed my extra hot glue, because I almost wanted the styrofoam to melt towards even the back so it can hold a little more steadier, and it needed a very hot glue to do this with. And there it is, you guys. We got our sign standing up. Yay! I wasn't sure that it was gonna work, but I'm glad it did. Yay! I probably had to fumble with it a little more just to make sure it's not falling over on us. But so far, you guys, so good. See, it wanted to fall over on me, but I got it straightened out. Don't worry. And now here's the fun part, you guys, is adding the flowers, which is my favorite part of all my DIYs. I love the way just to adding the beautiful flowers to things. I got these flowers at Amazon for $10, I think, and they were well worth it, you guys. If you haven't checked out my fall haul, go ahead and do so, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have plenty more fall DIYs, excuse me, coming up, and a fall tour if you want to stay tuned. I hope so. All I'm doing is just playing around with my flowers, trying to get them, to my liking. And you can use any kind of flowers you want for this DIY. Okay, you guys, now I'm just adding the skewers in the back of my pumpkin, and I'm going to be adding my pumpkins into the styrofoam balls that's behind there. And now I'm just going to be playing with it and rearranging it a little bit. I've had my little cute little pumpkins that came out so cute. Add it in, and that's it, you guys, for this DIY. Hope you enjoy. Here it is, you guys, the finished product, and I absolutely love it. Oh my god, it came out really cute. It started out to be this ugly, cracked sign that I just had to have, and got it, and it was a piece of junk. And I made it into something really cute, you guys. And that's it for me tonight. So you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend and be safe. And God bless you. Bye.